The Stock Your Home Seed Starter Tray helps you germinate your seeds in 7 easy steps. Moisten your plant mix or sterile soil with a bucket or tub. Pack the soil firmly into each cell. Use the dibbler to make a hole in the soil in each cell. Place in your seeds, cover with soil, and sprinkle the cells with water. Cover the tray with the plastic dome lid. This speeds up germination. Adjust the vents to control the humidity inside the tray. Regularly moisten the soil. Watch your plants grow at home, and when you see the first signs of green, remove the lid. Before transferring outdoors, place your seedlings outside for a few hours in a protected, shady area over 7 to 10 days, gradually exposing them to more sunlight and wind. Use the widger to carefully lift seedlings out of cells. Now you're ready to transfer the seedlings to your garden.